for, as we know that we are from Orange Fish Events Private Limited. We are all a family. Working with us in this Metasia for the first time. How was your all in total experience from the design till the fabrication till the service rendered by the Orange Fish Events family? How was your total experience and your genuine experience working with Orange Fish Events family, sir?
So it was very, very, very smooth, I would say. Like the one thing that I liked the most was that everything was very organized. From the starting to the end, like the design came in, everything was planned, how the walls will be, how will the samples look like. So at the end of the day, like the last day when we came over here, we did not have to think what we have to do with the walls. Everything was already pre-planned. So the organization, I would say, was the best part.
Thank you very much,
And
sir.
I'm also very happy with the design of the booth. It's very well lit up. I think all my dealers have come over here and they've told me one thing, that your store look that's coming, the range that's been displayed, no one can match that.
I think basically it's really very lit up, and the way you've designed the entire thing, the display is visible from people coming from that side also and this side also. It's basically like totally visibility बहुत अच्छी है. The only thing is that people have loved the openness, and the best part is these two
Catalogs.
booths that we've had here, just to keep the catalogs. They are very happy with that also. So on the whole, I think the designing has been really nice. And thank you very much for fabricating it very nicely. We didn't have to worry about the fabrication, and we didn't even have to worry about ये नहीं लगा वो नहीं लगा and everything. So it was seamless. It was nice.
Ma'am, are we different from others? Like you must have worked with others also.
So yes, I think the last time our experience wasn't very good because we had to really work hard a lot on our own also. This time it was we were happy. Yes, we are very happy with the work.
Forward for
Yes,
more
we are
work.
also looking forward.
Need your wishes.
All the best to you and very good work, and we are happy and
Thank you, ma'am.
So one
all
last
the best
question
to
I'd
you.
like to thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
So one last question I'll ask to like working with us with the Orange Fish Events family. As ma'am said, like you got a difference from the other agencies. Are you and from us? Yes, we are looking forward to work with you in other, not only in Delhi itself. We do work in pan India basis. Are we from? You have the same view? What I have the view for Marley Decor, sir.
Very happy with everything that you've done for us. In fact, I was about to tell you that I like the store so much that any future exhibition, especially Outstation, I just want you to take pictures of this booth and give me the exact same one.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.